Hi everyone, my name is Marla and I'm a teacher here at Fun Science Demos. Today, I want to talk about a really important tool that can allow us to see the world a lot closer. Scientists use tools like telescopes and microscopes to bring the world a lot closer to us. Now, tools like telescopes and microscopes like this are really expensive and really hard to get. But here at Fun Science Demos, we like to find tools that are inexpensive and easy to get. Now here, this tiny little device might not look like it, but it's actually a microscope. This is the Microscope Mini from Carson. And this tiny little microscope can actually make our eyes 20 times stronger. Now, this particular microscope works really well with objects that are flat, like the ones I have here. We've got feathers, leaves, fossils, and even this dollar bill. Now, let's see how this MicroMini works. I'm going to use my dollar bill right here to take a closer look. So I'm going to press down on this button and it shines a light out. And I'll put it right in the center. That is so cool! But you can't see it. But there actually is a way you can see it. We can hook this up to our smartphones. We've zoomed in close so you can see how this works. Here I've got my smartphone adapter clip. I'm going to hook it up right to the bottom lens of my camera, like so. I'll place my MicroMini with the eyepiece right above the camera lens, and it snaps right into place, just like that. I opened up the camera app, and here you can see I've focused right on the eye of the dollar bill. Now, remember, this microscope makes our eyes 20 times stronger than it already is. Now, watch what happens when I use my smartphone to zoom in even more. How crazy is that? Look at all that detail. Now, if I focus right there, let's take a picture of what I found. Now, if you take a look here, we're looking at a feather now. Here it is at 20 power, and I'll use my smartphone once again to zoom in even more. So look at that detail. Let's capture what we found. Now we have a fossil that we're going to take a closer look at. Look, we've actually zoomed in right on the backbone here and the ribs. How cool is that? Look at all the amazing items we were able to see with the help of our MicroMini. We got to see the eye of a dollar bill, a fossilized fish, even the bird feather, and look right here, we've zoomed in on this leaf. How cool is all that detail? Now, in this video, part 1, we got to show you how the MicroMini works, making our eyes 20 times stronger. In part 2, we'll get a chance to show you how the MicroFlip works at 100 times stronger. In many ways, these two microscopes from Carson are even better than this microscope right here. You can find the links to their products in the description down below. If you want to learn more about science and our tools, check out our YouTube channel, Fun Science Demos. Science is so cool, especially when you get a chance to explore the world much closer.